Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your FreshBooks Cloud account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your FreshBooks Cloud account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the FreshBooks website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions in the email sent to reset your password. Once logged in, you may see a prompt to verify your account. Follow the instructions provided in the prompt. If you do not see a prompt, check your account settings for verification options. Go to the Profile or Security section of your account settings. Look for the Verify Email option. If you have not received a verification email, click the Resend Verification Email button. Check your inbox for the email from FreshBooks. If it is not in your inbox, look in your spam or junk folder. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This will redirect you to your FreshBooks account. Upon successful verification, you should see a confirmation message. If you continue to experience issues, contact FreshBooks customer support for assistance. This will ensure that your account is properly verified and secure. You are now ready to use your FreshBooks account with all its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.